Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set NordVPN to automatically connect to a specific location every time your device starts up. This is especially useful if you always use the same country and want constant protection without having to connect manually. Start by opening the NordVPN app. From the main dashboard, look for the settings icon. On desktop, it's usually in the bottom left, and on mobile, you'll find it inside your profile menu. Next, open the Auto Connect section. This is where you control when and how NordVPN connects automatically. Choose when you want Auto Connect to activate. You can set it to connect only on Wi-Fi, on Ethernet, on mobile networks, or on all networks. Pick the option that fits your setup. By default, NordVPN connects to the fastest available server. If you want a specific location instead, tap on the Fastest Server option. From there, select the country or specialty server you want NordVPN to use every time. This is the key step. Once selected, your choice is saved automatically. From that point on, NordVPN will launch, connect, and route your traffic through that location without any extra input from you. If you'd prefer NordVPN not to auto-connect on certain networks, like at home or at work, you can add those networks to your trusted list. And that's it. If you're interested in getting NordVPN, I've included my affiliate link below. It gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months free. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.